Hi, this is Amy Prendergast, the Science and Technology Librarian at the Marx Library at the University of South Alabama, and this is a brief introduction to our website and some of the resources and services that are available online. At the top of the page is our URL to our library webpage, and you can also find a link on the University of South Alabama main website. At the top of the page, we have our COVID-19 information link. And this gives you all the current information about available services and hours during the COVID-19 crisis. And when the library reopens and we have that information available, it will be found here. And another thing I want to point out on this page is you can now get print materials from the library via curbside pickup. And here's the request form you can use to use that. And let me go back to our home page. And right under the COVID-19 link, we have our One Search box, and One Search searches our SouthCat catalog and a number of our journal databases, and also for ebooks. All in One Search. It searches a bunch of them at once, hence the One Search. And I'll have another I'll have another video that will give you information on using the One Search. And let me scroll down a little bit, and we have these two boxes under Library Resources. We have the SouthCat catalog, and this is the link you use to find information on a book, a print book that you might think you might like to have, that you can request through the request form that's linked on the COVID-19 page. And under the SouthCat catalog, we have the databases and e-reference link, and I'll click that. And this is just an alphabetical list of all our databases, and you can scroll down to see the one, if you happen to know one you want to see if we have, or you can use the alphabet menu at the top. And this includes a number of journal databases, including the ACM Digital Library, ACS Publications, and a whole bunch of others. And also it includes links to some of our streaming video services, including the Alexander Street Video, which you see here, and a number of reference databases, such as the American Fact Finder, and style manuals such as this one. And in addition to the alphabetical listing, we have these tags by subject. So if you wanted to find out, for instance, what other computer science databases we have, you could link that, and you could see those listed here. And I'm going to go back out to our home page. And on the right-hand side, under Quick Links, we have our course library, our course and subject guides, which you can click there. And these are all course guides or subject guides put together by myself and the other reference librarians on a whole bunch of different subjects. So if you wanted to find what computer science guides we had available, you could click there. In addition to some of the course guides, we have a guide to internet resources and computers and computing there. If you wanted to find out, for some reason, what other guides I have put together, you could do by owner. And here I am, Amy Prendergast. You could find all my guides listed. And if you wanted to find out if we had a guide on a particular topic, you could enter your search words there and do search and find whatever guides we had that include those search terms. And I'm going back out to the home page. And the last thing I want to point out is the Ask a Librarian page. And this gives you a link to the chat widget, and you can ask a question through chat. These are the hours that the chat is monitored. And you can send a question through WebRef. I'm actually read most of the WebRef questions, so I will probably see that question if you send it there, and probably even if I'm not monitoring it on a particular day, if it's science and technology related, they'll probably forward it to me, so I would be able to answer your question anyway. And I'm going to go back out to the home page, and that's just a brief introduction to the resources available through our home page. And check out my other couple of videos for detailed information on some of those resources.